Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is Chapter 9, Decimals, Term, Annual Term 2021, Lesson Nong 10. Lesson Nong 10. Look student, 9.4 exercise 1, page nong 110, and this is the first class of chapter 9. Okay, you see student, at first we will read the questions, then we will identify some problem, then I will discuss, then I will solve this problem. Okay, read. Which is larger? Represent with relation symbols. Smaller than, less, greater than or equal sign. Okay, smaller than, greater than or smaller. Okay, smaller sign. This is smaller sign. Remember, this is smaller sign. This is greater than, or this is smaller than. Okay, smaller than, greater than, or, and this is called equal. This is called equal symbol. Okay, this is called equal symbol. I repeat student, because in the exam time sometimes you mistake which one is larger and which one is greater symbol, you mistake. Look student, this is, I told you, smaller than, this is greater than, and this is equal symbol. Okay student. Now look, see the question 1 now. 0.4 blanks 0.7. So you need here some problem. What is decimal? Okay, and see the question number 4, 11, and this is 1.1. So at first you have to know about which one is the integer number and which one is the decimal number. Okay, look, come to the point. Suppose I have written 4, 11.4, 5.07, 3, 4.5. Look, now if I told you classify which one is the decimal number and which one is the integer number. Look student, you say, look, 4 is integer number. Okay, you see, 4 is integer number, or this is the full number. 3 is also integer number, but 4.5, this is called decimal number. Okay, 11.4. Look student, 11, you see the point, this is the point, I call that decimals, 11.4. Okay, so this is decimal number. Now see 5 decimal or 0.5.007. Okay, 5 decimal 007. So obviously these number are decimal number. Okay, and 4 and 3, these two are integer number. Okay student, I hope you understood which one is the decimal number and which one is the integer number. Okay, now come to the point. Look, see one more question, 0.4 blank 0.7. Now first question, which is larger, and the second question, represent with relation symbol, greater than, smaller than or equal sign. Okay, look student, here you write here 0.4, that means 4 For point you take here 1 and for 4 we write here 0. Okay, again 0.7. Look, at first you give this bar line 7, right here 7. For decimal you put here 1. Then for 7 you write here 0. Not for 7, for any number 1, 2 or for 0 you write here 0. Okay. Now we have to identify which one is larger. Look student, you see here 4 is numerator, here 7 is numerator, but 10 is denominator and 10 is denominator. So which one is the larger? You see 7 is larger than 4. 7 is larger than 4. Therefore we write, look, 7 is larger than 4. That means we can say 7/10 greater than 4/10. So which is larger? Obviously 7/10 means what? Decimal 0.7. This is the larger. Or 4/10 means what? 4/10 means 0.4. So which one is larger? Obviously 7/10, that means 0.7 is the larger. Therefore write, that means this is called, that means 0.7 is larger. Okay, and the second step, represent with relation symbol is smaller than, greater than or equal sign. Obviously you see 7/10, that means decimal 7 is bigger. Okay, so we have to write 0 which one is the larger? 0.7. This is the larger. So you have to put this sign. Okay, that means 0.7 is larger. Okay student, and I have used here the symbol. Okay, this means what? This means represent that 0.7 is larger. Okay student, remember, you see this symbol. Okay, like this way. Now I will solve question number 4. You see 11 blanks 1.1 or 1.1. The same thing. 11, no need to write, 11 is integer number. Now here 1.1, this is equal to what? 11/10. Okay, this is 11/10. Student, you see here 11. 11 is the full integer number, and 11/10. You see here 11/10. Okay, so you see which one is the larger. Suppose you direct decimal 1, then you see this is only 1. So which one is larger, 1.1 or 11? You use your technique. Obviously you say, sir, must be 11 is the bigger. Okay, therefore we write, therefore 11 is larger. 11 is larger. Okay, than 1.1. Okay student, now see the question, the second step, represent with relation symbol. Okay, and write 1.1. 11 is bigger than 1.1. So you have to use here this symbol. Okay, that means 11 is bigger than 1.1. Okay student, now look question number 5. 5 by 10 blanks 0.5. Now we have to identify which is larger. Look right here, 5 by 10s is equal to 5 by 10s and 0.5 is equal to what? 5 by 10. Student, look here, you see here denominator is 10, similarly here denominator is 10. Okay, and here numerator is 5, here numerator is 5. Okay student, that means they are the equal. Okay, they are the equal. So no one is larger here. Okay student, they are the equal. Therefore write, therefore 5 by 10 and 0.5 are equal to each other. Okay, first step done. Then second step, represent with relation symbol. Okay, that means 5 by 10 0.5. Student, look, they are the equal. So write here equal relational symbol. Okay. Now see question number 7. 0.1 blanks 1 by 10. Look right here, 0.1, this is equal to what? Write 1. For point we write here 1 and for 1 we write here 0. I repeat, 1 1. For decimal we have to write here 1, and for number, for any digit we have to write here 0. Okay. Now see, 0.1 equal to 1 by 10. You see here, this is also 1 by 10. But our question, which is larger? You see, there is no larger here, all are equal. Between 0.1 and 1 by 10, they are equal. Okay student, therefore write 0.1 and 1 by 10 are equal to each other. Okay, and 0.1 1 by 10. Look, they are the also equal. So write here equal symbol. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. But remember student, you have to keep practicing at your home. Without practicing in math, you can't understand any problem. All the problem will be new for you. So which one is the better solution for you? You have to try and practice more and more. Okay student, then you can understood properly. Yes student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.